Today is World Fisheries Day. This is an era when we speak about blue economy and blue growth based on the resources of the oceans. This is also the time to redefine the whole concept of blue economy in tune with greening the blue economy, ensuring the sustainability of resources. It's also the time to recognize the services of the fishermen who provide us with resources and also help sustaining our economies. So it's our responsibility to see that the fishing is responsible, sustainable, and ensuring the health of the oceans. Let us pledge in the World Fisheries Day that we will bring back the healthy oceans, which will ultimately help the livelihood of the people, millions of people who earn their livelihood from the oceans. I wish you all a very happy Fisheries Day.